beauties, Shri here. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look which is inspired by Katrina Kaif. I asked you guys on my Instagram and Facebook page that which look do you guys want me to recreate among these three looks, and the clear winner was this look. So if you're not following me there, you should totally check out. And now let's jump into the video. So first I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm using Benefit Brow Zings. I'm using just the powder. I have a complete tutorial on how I do my eyebrows already up on my channel. Please check that out. I'm just filling in the eyebrows with the eyebrow powder, that's it. And moving on, for my primer, I'm gonna mix these two products. These days I have been using L'Oreal BB cream as a primer pretty much with every foundation. I thought of mixing this Mercier foundation primer just because that gives that glowy dewy finish. Then for my foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Freshwear foundation, which is my current favorite foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige. I'm adding just a drop of Sephora Luminizing drops to it. First I'm gonna apply the product all over my face, and I'm gonna lightly blend it out with my fingers. This helps to warm up the product and makes it easier to blend. Then I'm gonna go with my foundation brush. I'm using Zoeva round brush. I believe it's in the number 10. I'm packing on more product on the area where I need more coverage. And then moving on, for my concealer, I'm gonna use Makeup Forever HD Self-Setting Concealer in number 32. This is the only concealer that I have been using for almost 2-3 months now. This is a self-setting concealer. You don't need a powder at all, and the creasing is very minimum when it is compared to other concealers. And if you set it lightly with powder, you don't see the creasing at all. Next I'm gonna lightly set my concealer and the base with my powder. I'm using L'Oreal setting powder. Then I'm gonna contour my face using Fenty Beauty contour stick in the color Mocha. It's my favorite contour product. It's very easy to use. I'm gonna contour on the sides of my cheeks, my nose, below my chin and my jawline. Katrina has that defined jawline, so I'm trying to achieve that with contouring. I'm using the same foundation brush to blend in my contour just because it looks more natural. And now I'm gonna apply Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. This is such a cool product. It makes your skin look healthy instantly. I'm dusting that all over my face. Then I'm gonna set my contour using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. I love this bronzer. It adds warmth to the face as well as it makes my skin look healthy. I don't know how to explain. It's just a beautiful product. Moving on, I'm gonna highlight my face using my favorite Essence Pure Nude highlighter. I'm just applying it on the high points of my face. And now I'm gonna apply my blush. I'm using Birch Bees Pink Blush. I just love applying blush after highlighter these days. I feel that way the highlighter looks even more natural. And next I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray. It's my favorite. Moving on, I'm gonna apply a little more highlighter. I'm using GERARD Cosmetics Starstruck palette. This is a beautiful highlighting palette. If you go on light-handed, it looks natural, and of course you can build it up if you want that boom highlighting. And now let's move on to eyes. I'm using Colourpop S Please palette. First I'm gonna apply this brown shadow in my crease and also on my eyelid as well. Next I'm gonna apply this red shadow just in the inner half of my crease. When I see Katrina picture, I see the red shadow popping in her crease, so that's why I thought of adding this red color. And then I'm gonna go back with that light brown shadow and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. Then I'm gonna tightly line my eyes using my Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm not doing a wing liner or anything, it's just a basic liner. I'm applying the kajal on my lower lash line as well, just only on the outer part. Then using a smudger brush which is from Morphe, I'm using this deeper shade to smudge that kajal. And then I'm gonna highlight my inner corners and brow bone using my Colourpop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. And for my mascara, I'm using Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. It's my recent favorite, I should say. I just love how it makes my lashes look. It separates the lashes coats really well, and it does not flake at all, and it lasts all day. And then I'm gonna add my false lashes, which is from Pat Cosmetics, which I bought from India. It is in the style 54. Moving on to line my lips, I'm gonna use Nykaa lip liner in the color Pillow Fight. I got this from India. It's such a beautiful neutral color for my skin tone. And then for my lipstick, I'm using GERARD Cosmetics lipstick in the color French Toast. And then on top of it, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution lipstick in the color Exclusive. Such a beautiful nude color. And then finishing the look with a lip gloss from Colourpop. It's called Moonchild. Katrina is wearing nude lips, which has a light red hue to it, so that's why I mixed in so many lip products. And this is the final result. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys want me to recreate any other looks, just let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.